Hi, how you doing? So we're going to make chicken roast. So this is not roasted at all. It's called cooked in a pan. We've got some absolutely wonderful flavors in there. Quite dry, as you can see. It's not kind of a big soupy thing. It's really, really delicious, wonderful chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, we're going to go straight in here to prepare the chicken. So I've got there 4 chicken legs and I've cut them in half. Bone is in, skin is on. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper to that. 1 teaspoon of turmeric and chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. And the juice of 1 lemon. If you don't want to use lemon, you can use vinegar. You can see I've got a glove on. We're going to go on and we're going to give that a little rub around, mix that up. Now, if you can put this in the refrigerator for an hour or 2, fabulous. So I've got like 4 or 5 tablespoons of coconut oil there. You can use a different oil if you want, but I think coconut works really well with this. We're just heating that up. So simply we're gonna take our chicken, pop it in, and on and above medium heat, we're gonna fry this for maybe 6 or 7 minutes. I'll be turning it over every couple of minutes. Okay, so that chicken's looking beautiful, isn't it? We're going to take it out and then we're going to reduce the oil down by about 50%, maybe a bit more. But we're going to come back in this pan because we've got some really beautiful, lovely flavors in there already. So we're also going to need 2 cups of sliced onions. 1 tomato there, or a decent sized tomato, like a cup of tomatoes sliced. Tomato paste, there's about 3/4 of a cup there. Some fresh curry leaves, fresh chili chopped, up to you how much you want to put in. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then ½ teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons of chili. Again, I'm using Kashmiri chili. You can reduce that down if you want, if you don't like it too spicy. Okay, so I've reduced that down, but I've still kept quite a lot of oil. I mean, reduce it if you want further. We're going to start off by dropping in the curry leaves and the onion. About 4 minutes or so on and above medium heat. So make sure that you cook your onions till they brown slightly. We're then going to go in with the ginger garlic paste. We're going to add fresh chili to taste. We're going to add some salt. Now some people would even put a teaspoon of sugar into this. So try that if you want. We're then going to add the tomato paste. Now I'm using tomato paste and fresh tomatoes. You can do this with just fresh tomatoes if you want, which we're now going to add in, just slice like that. And then those powders, so ½ teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 of chili powder. Stay on this just above medium heat. We're going to go for about 4 more minutes, stirring pretty much all the time now. So those fresh tomatoes are just starting to break down, and it's now we introduce the chicken with any juices that come from them, and we're going to go again on this above medium heat for about 4 more minutes, again stirring all the time. This is done. It's beautiful and easy. And there you go, nice and spicy, delicious, beautiful Kerala style chicken roast. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.